Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, on occasion of Valentine's Day, we're going to make a delectable dessert, strawberry cupcakes. These cupcakes are enjoyed by everyone in my family and friends, so I'm sure you will enjoy it too. Now, typical recipes online have you use only butter. If you use only butter, the cupcakes turn out to be very dense. So I'm going to show you a trick of how to make the cupcakes moist and fluffy. So you guys ready to make some cupcakes? Let's go! So the ingredients you will need to make the cupcakes are 200 grams of all-purpose flour or 1 1/4 cup, 250 grams of sugar or 1 cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter. Normally the recipe will call for 2 sticks of butter, but I'm going to use half, 1 stick of butter, and 125 grams of vegetable oil. Any vegetable oil will do, and this is the trick to make the cupcakes moist and fluffy. 5 large eggs, strawberry flavor. I've used the strawberry jello flavor. You can find it in any grocery stores. Some rose water. We're going to use about 2 teaspoons of this. Just wrapping for cupcakes, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. For decorating the cupcakes, you can use any kind of icing or butter frosting of your choice. I have some sprinkles too, and some colored sugar crystals. To begin, we're going to take a stick of butter in your mixer and cream it. Once the butter is creamed, to this we're going to add the sugar and continue mixing it until it forms a nice creamy texture. While mixing, make sure you scrape the edges if needed. Make sure all the ingredients are combining homogeneously. At this point, we're going to start adding our eggs one at a time. And then continue mixing. Continue adding the rest of the eggs one at a time. Do not add them all together. Once this turns into a nice creamy texture, to this we're going to add our next few ingredients. The strawberry flavoring, baking powder, and our vegetable oil. Now we will continue mixing for another minute or so. Once this is well mixed, to this we're going to add a splash, a teaspoon or so of our rose water, and then now we're going to start adding our all-purpose flour. We're going to add the flour in batches, about 3 batches. So this is the first set. And start mixing. The second batch doesn't have to be a specific measurement, just add it like in smaller portions, not the whole flour at once. And continue mixing. Once all of the flour is added, you're going to mix it and continue mixing for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes of mixing, you will see that the mixture is nice and fluffy. Now it's time to put this into our baking cups. Once the batter is in the cups, these cups are ready to be baked. We're going to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes until they are well done. In about 30 minutes, the cupcakes will be ready. Do keep them aside to cool down for about 15 minutes before you can eat them. Time to taste the cupcake. It's very fluffy, moist, and it's not that sweet. So this is really great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do try the recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And like always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.